everyone. It's a pleasure for me to present Mr. Derolis Miniwano. He's in B1 level and this is his interview. Mr. Derolis, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, my name is Derolis Miniwano. Today I'm going to talk about video games. What are video games? Video games are games that are played on electronic devices such as consoles, computers, or phones. Basically, they are programs where you control characters or things within a virtual world to meet certain objective challenge. You can play alone or with other people even online. Benefit of playing video games. Video games are not only fun, but they also have many benefits. For example, they help improve concentration, memory, and problem-solving skills. Because many games are thinking and making good decisions. In addition, they encourage creativity and teamwork. Consequence of playing video games. Video games can have several negative consequences, especially if they are used excessively. Multiple problems are a sedentary lifestyle, which can lead to overweight. Obesity and deterioration of physical health due to lack of exercise. They can also affect mental health, causing anxiety, insomnia, depression, irritability, and concentration problems. Types of video games. Video games are divided into several types: action, strategy, adventure, role playing, survival horror, simulation, multiplayer, and puzzles. From quick challenge to the stories, allowing players to choose according to their tastes and abilities. The most played video game in 2025 are Grand Theft Auto 5, Fortnite, League of Legends, EA Sports or FIFA. Many people are eagerly awaiting to release of Grand Theft Auto 6 and other major titles this year.
Okay, thank you so much, Derolis. Now, let's go with question times, right? First, tell me, why did you choose this topic?
Because I think this topic is very interesting.
Okay, thank you. So, would you recommend investigating about video games for people in general?
Yes, because the video games because
Tell me, are video games popular in Ecuador?
No,
Why? Mhm.
because in Ecuador practice athletics.
Okay, thank you. Um, is there a video game you have replayed multiple times?
Can you repeat each other?
Is there a video game you have replayed multiple times?
No, I don't have much time.
Okay, thank you. If you had the opportunity to live in a video game, what would you choose?
I choose God of War
Okay, why?
because because it's an innovation and it is based in Greek mythology.
Okay, thank you. So, have you ever cried with a video game?
I never cried.
Thank you. Tell me, what video game do you love the most?
I love FIFA.
Thank you. Tell me, if you could only play one type of video game forever, hmm, what would it be?
Can be Minecraft.
Okay, thank you. Do you prefer single player or multiplayer video games?
I prefer multiplayer
Why?
because I can play with my friends or with my brothers.
Thank you. Tell me, are video games art?
Yes,
Why?
because video games uh, can be because many games can be based in culture or anything.
Okay, thank you. Tell me a reflection about your topic, please.
The video games can be many benefits also mm, and they also can have several negative consequences. And, and in conclusion, the video games are are many benefits to people.
Okay, thank you. That's all. Please say goodbye.